your section B in that time. Then come to section C, 40 marks, 72 minutes. इतना टाइम नहीं लगने वाला है आपको. So from 12:20 to 1:30 तक आपको complete करना है. Again save 10 to 15 minutes and keep it for your checking. So but these are more than needed. So we cut 5 to 10 minutes from each section and conserve 15 to 20 minutes at last for checking and revision. Okay, so I hope this is useful. Now one very new thing which I am coming up with is for your doubts and discussions. Many of you have many doubts and I am not available for commenting on each doubt and discussions, right? So what I've done is I've registered myself on Call Me For app. Okay, so it's an application. You can just download it from Play Store. Okay, so it's Call Me For app, and my user ID on it is CBSE class 12. So what will happen is, and my timing for their availability is from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. So what you can do is install the application, okay, register yourself, and you can call me in this period for any doubts and discussions you want to do regarding English, chemistry, physics, physical education, etc. Okay, please do not discuss commerce subject and humanities subjects with me because I am not expert in that. So yeah, so you can install this application, and if like you have now 1 week for your English exam, right? So अगर आपको कुछ भी doubts हो English के इसमें, so you can just go to this app and you can call me through that app from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, I will try to answer all your calls. Okay, and the user ID over there is CBSE class 12. Please note it down, CBSE class 12 @ call me for. Okay, so you just need to remember this is the logo of the app, so you can just download it and contact me if you have any doubts or discussions to be made. Lastly, don't stress yourself. English is very easy. Okay, and be optimistic, be positive, right? English is extremely scoring, so even if you are getting 80 plus in your pre boards, अगर आपके टीचर्स ने आपको मार्क्स नहीं देके 80 85 जो भी 75 80 आपको मिल रहा है, suppose, trust me, if you work hard in this week you will surely land up above 90 to 95 in your boards. And let me tell you, I have scored 97 so in my English exam in 2016. So trust me, okay, and take it as an advice from me. Okay, if you're done with English, अगर आपका English हो चुका है अच्छे से, so try shifting your focus on physics, because yeah, you have just 1 day for physics, I guess. Yeah, so I'll also try to make certain videos for physics also. And if you're done with English, you can try to shift your focus. Shift your focus doesn't mean completely, मतलब English तो करना है थोड़ा थोड़ा, but साथ ही साथ physics को भी balance करना है. If you have not done, if you're not done anything for physics. Okay, and yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope it helped you all, and all the best for your exams. Okay, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. I mean, yeah, you can call to the app, and if you want me to make certain videos for other topics, you can just mention in the comments below. Thank you. And if you want, the question papers are still available, so if you want the question papers, they are available at a very minimum price, so you can just contact me at my email ID. You can just watch that video. Okay, thank you.